National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Greene County, Sumter County, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated slow-moving showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain across a large portion of Sumter County. Radar indicates that at least 2 inches has already fallen in many areas, with another 1 to locally 2 inches likely through this evening. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other